So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, we're going to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. Ignore this error on my screen, but in your case you just want to run this scan. We can run it in the background as we complete the next steps in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand audio inputs and outputs. And then you want to find your microphone and your speakers. You want to update both of them. So you want to right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure you have the best drivers for the device installed. Repeat that for everything else under here as well. And now we're going to expand sound, video, and game controllers, and then do the same thing. Right click on it, update driver, search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for the device installed. Also, if your device comes with a software like my one does, then you want to head over to your software and then go to your device and then go to settings. Make sure that your device is fully up to date for the software itself. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And then you want to find audio. Click on run. Wait for this to load. And then once you're on this, you want to click on yes. Then you just want to follow all the steps that will come up. And then once you go through all of this, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.